The electric light bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell.
Ships that use hydrofoil or foils are themselves called hydrofoils.
Olympic game is held once in 4 years. It was held in Tokyo, Japan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel again, and thank you very much for always watching English learning videos here. I hope all of you are always fine and success to improve your English ability both in speaking and writing. In the English speaking practice part 5, I would like to show you how learners use active and passive sentences in speaking practice. Well, let's watch what they are talking about on the following screen. Well, now answer the following questions. Fena, who invented telephone?
Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell.
Can you tell us the history of Alexander Graham Bell?
Well, Alexander Graham Bell was born in Edinburgh, Scotland on March 3, 1847. He was a scientist, inventor, and founder of Bell Telephone Company. In addition to his work in telecommunication technology, he also contributed to the important advances in aeronautical and hydrofoil technology. Nando, do you know what hydrofoil is?
Well, hydrofoil is underwater fin with a flat or curved wing-like surface that is designed to lift a moving boat or ship by means of the reaction upon its surface from the water through which it moves. Ships that use hydrofoil or foils are themselves called hydrofoils.
The next question. Who was the electric light bulb invented by? Okay, Anggi, please.
The electric light bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison.
Very good, thank you.
Can you tell us the history of Thomas Alva Edison?
Well, Thomas Alva Edison was a businessman and an inventor. He was born on February 11, 1847 in Milan, Ohio, United States. Thomas Alva Edison invented light bulb in 1879.
The next question. Lenta, are there many people infected by COVID-19 recently?
Yes, there are many people infected by COVID-19 recently.
What should we do to anticipate not to be infected by the virus?
Well, I think we should apply health protocol such as always wash hands, use face mask wherever you go, and not to make a crowd everywhere.
What about the vaccines?
Well, vaccine is also important to increase our body immunity in order not to be easily infected by the virus.
Well, everyone, you did it well. Thank you. The next session is free conversation. Use active and passive sentences for conversations.
Nando, where is English spoken?
English is spoken in many countries, such as United States of America, Australia, United Kingdom, and some other countries.
Have you ever spoken English with a foreign people here?
Yes, I have. I have spoken English with American tourists here.
Could you speak English with them well?
Of course, I could.
Well, thank you. Lenta, how often is the Olympic game held?
Olympic game is held once in 4 years.
Where was the Olympic game held this year?
It was held in Tokyo, Japan.
Oh, that's right. Thank you. Angie, do you know what paper is made from? Paper is made from wood. Can you tell me how to make it? I'm sorry, I don't know how to make it. It is fabricated. Well, it doesn't matter. Thank you.
Well, everyone, the next session. Answer my questions in the passive sentences. Anggi, what is English spoken?
English is spoken all over the world.
In which countries is English spoken?
It is spoken in United States of America, Australia, and United Kingdom.
Fena, when did the foundation build a school?
The school was built by the foundation in 2002.
How long did the foundation build a school?
The school was built by a foundation for a year.
Lenta, where is Honda motorcycle made in?
Honda motorcycle is made in Japan.
Where did you buy your motorcycle?
It was bought in MPM Motor.
Nando, where did the thief steal your purse?
My purse was stolen by the thief at my boarding house.
What time did the thief steal it?
It was stolen at about 2